How strong the technical analysis can be. Look how beautifully gold respecting the levels. I told you that 1865 and 1878-80 zone you should watch out for. Only bullish confirmation is if it breaks above 78-80 zone, and on the downside bearish confirmation is below 1865. So far respected it beautifully. Likewise oil, I talked about that beyond 75 levels you can expect 76, 77, which is going to be a good resistance. It has so far achieved 76.2 and reversed since then. So what to expect with the US session? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. First we'll look into gold, followed with crude oil WTI. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, do note down the levels, trade as per the levels, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Bell icon will keep you updated and posted with the latest analysis. The next update on gold and crude oil will be released tomorrow with the Asia session. Do watch that also. Let's start. Gold on the hourly charts, higher lows are seen, and you can see it is still very much into the consolidation zone, consolidation range. See yesterday's high and today's high, lower highs, higher lows are seen, and hence which makes this zone, that is 1865 to 1880, as a no trade zone. Just be watchful and be observant till the time it trades within this zone. Any break below, specifically below 1860, will call for the bears, and it is going to break heavily below 1860, which might bring it till towards 1840, 1820 zone. You have to be observant there. Now look at the direction. Movement is moderately bearish. Stochastic is at bottom trying to look upwards and show some bullishness. At the same time, MACD is on the verge of a bearish cross. RSI is come out of the oversold zone, trading comfortable. Now look at the 2-hour chart. Similar observation on the 2-hour charts. Higher lows, lower highs, trading within this zone. You can either make profit in this zone, or rather I will recommend not to trade in between these levels. Direction movement bearish, stochastic looking down. MACD is in green, trading with little divergence, trading moderately bullish. RSI trying to rise and come out of the oversold zone. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, similar observation on the 3-hour chart. Beautifully, it is trying to show higher lows, that is the most important part, and the lower highs. So I'm not because the same observation we have seen on the earlier 2-hour charts, and hence 1H and 2H, if they are confirming the same level, 3H is also likewise in the same lines. Directional movement is bearish here. Stochastic has seen a little drop. The MACD is trading with divergence, and this crossover has happened at a bottom. Now look at, let me see this crossover. Where this crossover has happened, it is at extreme bottom levels, and hence this brings an opportunity for gold to give a little bullish candle, but it is still trying to give the bullish candles while remaining in range, and hence let it give a breakout on the upside, then you can definitely remain long for 1890, 1900 levels. RSI was oversold and it has come out of the oversold zone. Now look at the 4-hour. Now see, in the morning I did tell you that, see, the indicators on the most time frames are oversold, and hence it is taking its time for the indicators to recover a bit so that it can again resume the trend, and that is what it is trying to do. Do not consider this as a reversal till the time it trades below 1920 levels. That is very clear here. It is just a retracement. Even if it rises, this should be considered as a retracement, and hence you should be careful of this. Directional movement is bearish here. Stochastic is looking down again. The MACD is crossing over for a buy entry, and see there is a little green candle there, and you can see this crossover is happening at an extreme lower levels. Possibly it can bring little more bullishness. RSI trying to rise, and if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts. 50 period moving average giving it a very good support. Lower highs, higher lows, consolidation again. Wait for it to give a breakout. Directional movement bearish. Similar observation. Stochastic is oversold, and hence little retracement can be expected. MACD is divergent and bearish, and see it has achieved the highs. Probably it may start converging from here, and RSI is seen a good drop. Considering this, once again trading is very simple. Sell at 1865. However, only bearish confirmation and only confirmation of a drop is if you see gold trading below 1860 levels. Once it breaks below 1860, stay short. We can expect 1855, 47, 40, and then below that 1820 levels can also be seen, if not today, possibly some point of time in this week. And hence you can stay short below 1860 specifically, but you can sell at 1865 However, you have to trade with the trailing stop loss till the time it is at 1860 levels. On the upside, you can buy here at 1880 levels, above which you can expect little more bullishness. Yes, you can buy at 1876, but remember 1878-80 zone is going to be a very strong resistance, and above, if it trades above 1880, you can expect 1885 levels, and beyond that only little more rise will take it till towards 1891 1900 levels, and then beyond that 1910 1920 is going to be the extreme resistance, which I don't think so it is going to break any point of time this week. So this is all for gold. Now let's have a look at crude oil WTI. And yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 19th batch started already, 20th batch bookings are open. You can reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly chart for crude oil here. It was trading bullish in this channel, achieved a high at 76.2, and since then now it is trying to retrace. Now see where it has created the support here at 74.8. Once it drops below 74.8, and specifically rather, I will recommend you to sell only if you see it trading below 74.5 levels, below which you can expect 74.2. It's 74, and below that only little more bearishness might take it till towards 73.5. Remember, it has got very strong support till the time it trades above 73.4 levels. I will not consider this as bearish. Below 73.5, certainly we can see little more bearishness there. Directional movement bullish trying to converge. Stochastic has seen a sharp drop from the overbought levels. The MACD is looking forward to converge crossover for a sell. RSI looking down, indicating little bearishness here. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, this is indicating a reversal, two candles with a flat top and the candle size almost alike. Now this is giving a breakout. This is coming out of this channel. It can take it further down, maybe till towards 74.8, 74.5, in fact 74 levels, which are definitely a good support. Directional movement moderately bearish, bullish and trying to converge. Stochastic was overbought and has seen a good drop here. The MACD is in green trying to converge. The RSI is looking down here. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, likewise on the 3-hour charts, the gravitational force is pulling it down. It has a small wick on the upside, and now it is trying to drop here. Possibly it can come back till towards 75 and 74.8 levels, and in fact it can try to come back till towards here 74.6 and 74.7 levels. Once it breaks below 74.5, further bearishness might take it till towards 74 levels. Remember, these are very, very strong support. Now see what it has done so far on the 3-hour charts is, this is just a retracement which we have seen. Lower lows are done. It is almost achieved the highs of the channel, now trying to retrace. It means it can drop sharply from here. You have to be cautious. Directional movement crossing over for a sell. Stochastic was overbought and hence it is looking downwards. The MACD is in green. It is looking forward to convert. In the morning analysis or the Asia session analysis, I did tell you, see this crossover is happening at bottom, and hence we can see it little rising, and possibly see it has seen the rise. Now it is again trying to look downwards. RSI also has recovered and now trying to look downwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, similar observation on the 4-hour charts as well. Now beautifully it is achieved the highs of this channel, and this is a bearish channel now trying to look downwards again. Remember, I told you in the morning analysis as well, till 78 and 80 levels do not consider oil as bullish, and it can break again. And for the rest of the month also, $80 is the level. Till the time it trades below 80, do not consider this as bullish, and it can break any point of time. That is what is happening here. It has achieved the highs, trying to retrace again on the downside. Now remember, once it drops below 74 or 73.4 level, it will call for further bearishness. This time it is not going to stop till towards 72 or 70 levels, and in fact we can see further down levels also. Right now it is appearing to be bearish. We may see 75, 74.8 and 7 levels, and below that further drop can also be seen. Directional movement is moderately bearish, crossing over again. Stochastic was overbought and now looking forward to a drop. The MACD is divergent and bullish, and I told you in the morning analysis the similar story, that it is trading bearish. Now it is looking forward to a little upward move, and it has achieved 76.2 levels. Stochastic looking downwards, RSI looking down here. Now look at the daily. Now see on the daily chart, the candle is green here. It is opened above. Possibly, yes, it has achieved the highs here, and it is trying to look downwards. Once it drops below 74.5, yes, you can expect a further drop which might take it till towards 74. Even only bearishness, yes, you can sell at 75 also, but then expect a very good support at 74.7, 74.8, and then 74.5, 74.3 till 74. It has got very good support, and then the next support level is at 73.4 levels. Only if it trades below this, you can expect a little more bearishness. Directional movement is bearish trying to converge, stochastic looking up, MACD divergent and bearish trying to converge here, RSI trading flat. Considering this, only buy entry I can see. So buy entry is above 76, sell entry is below 74.5 level. Rather, I will say sell at 75 and buy at 76. Today morning we were buy at 75.5, sell at 74.5. Now it is just shifted half a dollar. And now on the downside, you have to remain extremely cautious till the time it trades above 74.5 levels. Do not consider it can bounce back, it can reverse, it can trade bullish again strongly on the upside. At the same time, if you see it trading above 76, you can take a buy entry. However, remember 76.5 and 77 zone. This is going to an extremely important resistance level, and then 78 level. These two levels, if it breaks, then you can consider this for a reversal, and it may trade bullish from there. Till the time, you have to remain cautious and alert. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my signals group, join my mentorship batch. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.